sure good. I'm calling it Mane of a Goddess Extensions Hair Flip. With your name. Okay. I'll let you know when it's up, okay? Boom. And we are now live.
Hey! It's Madeline from Mane of a Goddess Hair Extensions. We sell luxury Russian hair extensions in Denver. And we are #1 for seamless wefts. These days there are a lot of hair extensions that have glue, medical adhesives, sticky tape, and what I'm really known for is doing no damage. And as you can see, it's completely seamless. So I really love doing hair flip videos so you can really see the fact that there's no bonds and no attachments. Come here, Foxy. You gotta be in the video. You're the most important part. Come here, Foxy. She's pretty much the trademark of the hair salon, so she's the best part. You get to hold her, have her sit on your lap. She's like a glass of wine without hangover.
You look fabulous.
Thank you. Yay. Perfect.
Is that what you wanted?
I think that's good.
Think that's good?
A little something. That's perfect, right?
Alright, give us a goodbye. Go back over there and wave goodbye. And this is the
Is
end.
that the it? That's streaming. So as you can see, you really have to feel it. So you have to feel it for yourself. So this is a lot of hair. This is actually 150 grams of luxury Russian hair. Every other hair salon that you're going to go to, you're not going to get this much hair. So if you look at Luxury Hair Replacement Denver, MadelineHairDesign.com, you'll really see that all of my clients have a lot of hair. A lot of hair extension salons you'll go to, they'll go cheap on the hair. I really have a smaller shop, so I end up putting my investments in my clients and having the best luxury hair extensions in Denver. And that's why we are #1 for hair extensions in Denver, especially for seamless wefts. And our method is pretty much just like NVR, except for it's luxury Russian hair, which is so much better. And you can do the gorgeous balayages and custom low lighting on them with deposit only color, which is pretty great. So yeah, come by and visit us soon. Bye.